that's my 4 cups of broccoli. Now I'm coming in with my shredded carrots, and we're gonna use about 8 ounces of this. This is a 10-ounce pack, so we gotta just leave 2 ounces left in there. And I think that that's perfect. Kind of spread that right on top of your broccoli, all in your crock pot. Now I have 2 packages of my diced white onion, and we're gonna sprinkle that right in there. If you don't like onion, you can skip it or you could half it, but I love onion, and this equals to about 1 large white onion diced. Now I'm coming in with my minced garlic. This is gonna add such a great flavor, and we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic right in there. Beautiful, and this is an 8-quart crock pot, so it can fit a lot. Of course, we're gonna season this up, so I'm gonna use some black pepper, and there's a lot going on in this crock pot, so you need to add a good amount of seasoning. Now, you can adjust the seasoning to your like, but I like a lot of flavor, so we are adding a lot of black pepper. Ooh, this is gonna be so great. I absolutely love making this dish. We're gonna bring in our salt. This is gonna be perfect for, if you want a vegetarian meal or if you just want something cozy and yummy, something easy, whatever you want it for, it's perfect for the occasion. Last seasoning we're gonna do is some smoked paprika, and we're gonna season that right there. Beautiful. Don't need too much of that because that's flavorful. Now I have my vegetable broth, and this is the 4 cups of vegetable broth. So we're gonna use this entire thing. You can use chicken broth. That's actually what the recipe calls for. But like I said, I wanted to keep this vegetarian. It doesn't really make a difference. That broccoli will get nice and cooked and soften up and shrink a little bit. So this will make a little bit more sense once we do that. But this looks absolutely delicious. It is officially time to give this a mix. All right, we wanna make sure everything gets well combined. The broccoli, the seasoning, the carrots, the onion. Look how beautiful that is. Just a nice, fresh dinner. And if you want, you can chop up your own onions, but I bawl like a baby when I chop my own onions, so I prefer to buy them cut, but that is just my own personal preference. I think that this is looking mixed well enough. Just kind of smooth that out, make sure those carrots don't jump out. And as it cooks, we'll have more liquid in there because the crock pot, brings a lot of moisture. We're gonna put our lid on and we're gonna pop this on high so it can get cooking. All right, it's been 2 hours on high, but we're not done yet. Let's open this baby up. Woo, this looks so good. All right, we all know what this is missing. Some cheese, and we have the 2-pounder that we cut up. Woo, we almost lost one, but I caught it. And we're just gonna spread that out and add a little bit more liquid. I have my heavy whipping cream, and we're gonna add this whole pint into our crock pot. Oh yeah, that looks perfect. It's time to give this another mix to get everything incorporated. Oh, you can see all of that liquid on the bottom. That's just gonna get extra thick when that cheese melts. It's always good to cut up your cheese into blocks so it can melt faster. That broccoli is gonna be ready just in time for when that cheese is fully melted. All right, I think that looks pretty good to me. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, just submerge the cheese and you're good.
Yeah, all right. We're gonna put our lid back on for just 30 more minutes. All right, it's been 30 minutes since we added the cheese. We can go ahead and pop this on warm now, and let's check it out. Ooh, let's mix it all together. Oh my goodness, we need to make sure that this gets well combined so that liquid can get thick with that yummy, gooey cheese for our delicious broccoli cheddar soup. Yep, you heard that right. And you guys thought there wasn't gonna be enough liquid in this. This is gonna be absolutely perfect. So I'm just gonna give this a good mix for a minute or two, and then this will be ready to serve. Oh my goodness, this looks incredible. It is a little bit thinner than I wanted, but you know what? I think it's gonna taste so good. And plus, it's a soup. It's supposed to be thin. All right. Time to ladle. See all those yummy cheeses on there. Oh.
Only one cheese, right?
Yeah. But it's little bits of cheese is what I mean. Oh, our broccoli cheddar soup. I'm so excited. That broccoli looks perfect.
Is it good?
Wow. That is so good.